In this video, I will show with you step by step how to get loan in unicredit. So if you want to get loan, follow me in this video. First, access your account, log in your account with your own information. All you have to do, go to Google, search for unicredit loan, click on the first website here, as you can see here, and then you will see this page. This is the step. You have two steps, friends. You should be fill this application form to get a loan. This is for requests. From here, write your name. As you can see, this is your name. Write your surname, and then write your residence place. Choose your residence place. From here, choose your date of birthday. Choose your date of birthday, as you can see here. Choose your email address. From here, choose your attachment, attach for your salary. You should be upload documents here for your salary, friends. From here, choose your details. As you can see, confirmation for employee, confirm or apply. Click this one, accepting these statements, and then click apply. So friends, as I say, just go to loan. From here, you have different option. You have loan cash. If you want to apply for loan cash, click this one, cash loan. Choose your employee or loan amount you want to apply. Choose your month, 10 or month. I am employee. If you are employee, choose insurance policy, and then choose your monthly income. After that, click on checkbox here, and then click apply. This is how you can do finance. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this